Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. My name is Reena Singh Dhawan and I have a Farhana with me. So I'll first introduce myself and then Farhana will introduce herself. My name is Reena Singh Dhawan. I'm IT consultant. Now I'm a digital owner. I'm doing a digital business. Plus I'm a mom. Farhana, if you can introduce yourself and if you can share your digital journey, like till now, what was the outcome with you?
Definitely, definitely. Hello, everyone. So, my name is Farhana. As Reena introduced, I am also a digital business owner and I have been doing the business for the last 4.5 years now. A little bit of my background, I am originally from India, living here in Toronto, Canada right now. I have two young boys. I have 6-year-old, a 3-year-old, and my background is I was a graphic designer and I have done my bachelor's in pharmacy. I have done my master's in MBA in marketing, and I'm a lot of people ask me कि मतलब इतना you have these varied backgrounds. You are from a science background and then you did an MBA, and then I have never ever worked as a pharmacist in my life. All the work experience that I have in these 8 9 years of my life which I worked has always been in graphic design, digital marketing, and all of those things. And 4.5 years ago I started this digital business. And so there was no intention of starting a business of any sort. I was very happy with the job which I was doing. I was in a marketing firm and I was working 9 to 5. But the thing is, when you become parents, when you become a mother especially, your priorities change, your outlook towards your career, that completely changes. And that's exactly what happened with me as well. My priority became my son, who so I was he was a year and a half old at that time. I was so fed up of the job and the struggle and the work life balance and looking after him, and all of those things were getting very out of hand. He was going to the daycare, but I was not happy with the kind of time which we were getting. Like, we would it did not feel as if I am raising my son. It felt like someone else is raising him for me, and he just comes to me for evening, dinner, nap time, bedtime, bath time, and in the morning again I drop him off to someone else to again look after him. And that was a very guilty feeling for me as a mother, because we are not used to that, right? You want to see him grow, you want to see all of the milestones, and also there came a time when I was like, I'm fed up. I can't do this anymore. And I quit my job and stayed with him for a couple of days. And then I realized that, I need the money coming in. I need some sort of money in my hand. I need that. And so I started looking for options which, would let me stay home, be with my son, but also give me, some lucrative thing which I can work in my free time and make something out of it. So that's when I came across the business, and I have been doing it for 4.5 years now. And touch wood, it has been working amazingly. It's been life changing. And yeah, it's great.
Wow, that's been so amazing. So, Farhana, when I joined this business, I had always this in my mind, because I always wanted to do something, but I was never clear what I wanted it. But when I had my
Yeah.
baby, then I was very serious, some side hustle, some online business I should be in, so that, as you said, money should be flowing in.
Yeah.
But I
Yeah.
always had this trust factor doubt, because this is the era of digitization. Everything is going digital. People wants to do something online, but like me, most of the people can be a relatable to me, because they also want to do something, but somewhere down the line they have this thought whether this thing is fake or this is a scam. So many hackers are around. Should I go ahead with this platform or not? Because they have been seeing so many ads, but it's
Yeah.
very hard to choose which ad is genuine, which is very trustworthy. So, and
Yeah.
even I was also in that same place, but I took this because I saw your ad. It was so communicative, plus it was so authentic. You looked so real. So at one time I just clicked it. This is that, because even I have been seeing so ad, but it was always
Mm.
fake, scam kind of.
Yeah.
So you need to build that trust. So
Yeah.
if you can explain like how we can convince, not even if convince, how can we tell people like the business that we are in, that platform, this like digital business is very real, it's very authentic, we the real
Yeah.
people are working inside, how can we,
Yes.
if you can throw some light on this.
Definitely. See, what I believe is important is that, yeah, definitely, as you said, trust factor is very, very important. People
Yeah.
only work with people who they trust and who they are comfortable with, right? So
Right.
as digital business owners, my intention has always been to be as real and to give out as the true information, the genuine information which I have, the thing which I'm offering. It's important to give, show it in a way that it is, you're not selling fake things, or there's no fake what do you say, dreams that you are selling, that
Right.
okay, this will
Right.
happen, this will happen. Anything that you want to make it work, it will require your effort, it will require your
True.
time. So in today's times, when you go to Facebook, Instagram, even TikTok, if you scroll, if you are looking for online earning opportunities, or for some time you have been Google searching things, and what can I do from home and everything, the AI picks up those that you are actively searching for these things, and all of your social media platforms will be filled with content around that, people offering these things, because again, AI takes advantage of that and shows you
Right.
things which you want to see, right? So majority of these things which you will see, like there's a lot of people offering a lot of different things, and majority of them are making it sound as if, oh, this is so easy, just start and you will start making money, no experience needed, no this that, just work 1 hour and this and that. That's all fine, but then they're just pushing and selling those things. It's important to give a full picture. Yes, there is no work experience needed. Yes, you can do it at any time, but there is also a learning curve. It's not that whatever knowledge you have right now, you can come in and be successful with the zero knowledge that you had. That's not the case. You come in with zero experience, but you also keep in mind that you are here to learn. If you had zero experience, you had zero knowledge, you will pick up on the training, you will learn the training, you will understand, you will get an expert in that, and then you are going to make money from the system. That's the thing which people exclude in those, they're just trying to show it as attractive, as shiny as it can be, but these are the things which are also needed. So in this platform, what we are offering you is, yes, we have systems in place, we have trainings in place, we have mentors and coaches in place who are experienced, who will help you get set up and help you with your learning phase as well. Till the time you start earning from the platform, you will get all the support, all the help, all the knowledge, tips, strategies, everything that you need to reach to that level, so that you can also start earning from the platform. That's what we have here, and I try my best to showcase it that way, because when people get the real information, they are automatically going to trust you, they are automatically going to want to work with you, because they see the genuineness, they see that you're not just trying to push your product at them, they're just not just trying to sell something to them, but you're actually here to help them and change their lives as well. So that's the best way, that's what I have always tried to do, and that's what works, that's what you should be doing. Yeah.
Right. Right. Very great. So now my follow-up question would be for Hannah, like anyone who joins it, like if I take example of mine, when I wanted to join it, I didn't had any big picture, like I would be like earning so much and then I would be building this much, because I didn't had any idea what kind of business this would be till the
Yeah.
time I did get entered it, and then I realized this is such a massive, amazing platform. People are
Yeah.
earning like, I mean, even I cannot describe. So when I joined, I was just like, something should be coming in. So that was kind of my motivation, like some kind of money I should be getting in. So for you, when you joined, like what was the inspiration you had, kind of, or It's, I think it's kind of repetitive, but if you can,
Yeah.
because different people have different thought process
Yes,
going in.
definitely. So, my motivation was, so after I gave birth to my son, before that, I was a workaholic person. I have
Hmm.
always worked before marriage and after that and everything. So once my son was born, till the first year of maternity, I was at home with him, and I had seen what that 1 year for me was like. It
Right.
was completely, my life had turned upside down, because a person who was always so busy with working and going out and
Hmm.
meeting people
Right.
and talking to so many people is now stuck at home. Initially you like it, but it is again so overwhelming,
Yes.
because especially when it's your first child, first of
Child,
all you
right.
don't know what to do with the child, why the child is crying, abhi bhukha hai, is he hungry, does he want a nap, what is it, why do you keep screaming? That is the first thing
Yes.
which is overwhelming as a new mom. So that was going on. Plus, I was home stuck in the sense that because you have this child to take care of,
Yes.
and all of these things, you feel you have no time to even get out of the house or do
Right.
anything. And that
Yes.
feeling of being trapped was
Yes.
there. And I was like, I was not talking to anyone, not meeting people, socializing, kuch bhi nahi ho raha tha, right? So all of those things combined together, again,
Yes.
I think every woman goes through postpartum depression,
I can
be
relate
it
it because
at
I'm going
some
through that
degree.
phase.
Exactly, right? So you have that thing, and I felt like, this is changing me. This is not the person I am, and I want some productivity with my life. I wanted to do something productive that keeps my mind occupied, and I was also becoming this. How should I put it, irritable person who would lose, their temper for no reason. Like, and who is the victim of that? Your husband, your child.
Yes.
These are the people who have to face it. And my husband was also like, this, the first year maternity, it's done. Now, this cannot be your life. You have to do something productive. You have to utilize your mind and energy into something which you want to do.
Yeah.
And that was our motivation to look at something. Money, obviously everyone wants to make money, but that was not, money was not my motivation, money was not what I was after. I was basically after building something worthwhile, something productive that I can call it my own. I knew a job is not what I want to do. I wanted something of my own that I can work on my own hours and everything. So yeah, that's what it was.
Wow. Great, great, great. So now, like most of the people have come across and they have asked me, say, any kind of investment that is there related to this. So I just give a simple answer. If you go out in a market and see if you can get something free of cost, yes, buy two get one free, but you have to buy that too, then you will get one free. So
Yeah.
nothing is free. No lunches come free in this world. So why
Yeah.
you expect this business to come as a free, right? Anything that is attached to free doesn't have any value. So this is the way I answer. But how would you like to,
Hmm.
comment on the kind of investment
Yeah.
that is in here?
Yeah, so definitely. See, before you jump to the investment part, it's also important to understand what exactly are you investing in? What is it that you will be doing? It's, first of all, this is not a job. You're not working for someone. Neither it's freelancing that you do digital marketing for some company or anything of that sort. It's not that. It's affiliate marketing, but not the traditional affiliate marketing kind of thing also. Like, I'll explain what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing means you get yourself affiliated with a company, any company. Almost all the companies have their affiliate links. Like, people sell products on
Mhm.
Amazon, they are affiliated with the
Yes,
products
yes,
which they
yes.
send, because when someone will buy it, they will make a commission out of it. So it is affiliate marketing. There are products involved, but the thing with traditional affiliate marketing is that it is a lot of hard work. It is pushing products on people. It is asking people to buy things from you and everything. And I remember in my childhood, my mother herself was an affiliate for, those beauty brands you had, or Avon, Oriflame, and all of
Yes,
those
yes.
brands. My mother
Oriflame,
was an
yes,
affiliate
yes.
for that. Yeah. So she was doing that when I was a child. And I remember, and the thing was, people had to buy those makeup
I
products from her,
understand.
and then she would make commission. I did not want to become this person who is constantly talking about this product, nice features, this, that, and everything. I did not want to become that pushy salesperson. If I talk to someone, they would be like, oh, now she'll be pushing those products on me and all of
Right,
those things.
right.
That was not my I was least interested in any of that. So traditional affiliate marketing, I knew, is not what I want to do. So when I came across this business model, there are affiliate products involved, but the difference is that there's so much sales automation and systems in place that you are not the one who is selling the products. You are not the one who is pushing the products on people. You're not even involved in the after sales things, the technical, nothing of that sort. You don't have to touch the
Right.
products to make money out of it. That was the one thing which I absolutely loved. And the second part is, so if you are not selling the products, then what exactly is it that is involved over here? So when someone sets up a business with us, what they are getting is basically a business package, a business system, and basically there are four things in it. You have training. Training is for digital marketing because you will be using digital marketing to promote it and make sure that you get the sales that you need. So digital marketing is a skill which you will have to learn. So that is what we give you training for. Secondly, you provided mentorship and coaching. So there's a mentor assigned, there's a coach assigned to you who will help you in the initial stages. The third thing is the technical infrastructure. Any business you set up, you need technical infrastructure to build it and everything. So there's we'll build your website for you. There's something called as a sales funnel which is incorporated in your website. The email marketing campaigns, the automation involved, the systems, all of it is provided to you, given to you. And the fourth part is the affiliate companies. So there are different choices. You can choose your affiliates depending on what are your income goals, how much money you want to make out of it and everything. So there are those different choices of affiliates, of what level you want to get in and everything. So that's the fourth aspect. So that's not the only thing which we are offering. There's this three other things attached to it which you are getting here. So when someone plugs into it, and this is a service which you're offering, okay, so what are you offering? If anyone wants to generate an income from home, you can use this system, you can plug into this system and use it to
Right.
generate an income. And when you invest in the affiliate companies, like different affiliate companies have different ways of to get affiliated with them, right? So whatever is their particular way of you for you to get become an affiliate with them, once you become an affiliate with the company, along with that you get the first three things that we offer as a community. The first three things: the training, mentorship, and the technical infrastructure also. So consider like how you have franchisee systems. Like if someone wants to buy a McDonald's franchisee, they invest in the McDonald's franchisee, and along with that they get the standard operating procedures, the recipes for the burgers, the prices, the branding, everything is fixed. Like this is how you do it, you buy it, you just do it exactly that way, and you know that McDonald's franchisee is going to work if you follow the procedures and everything, and you will make money out of it.
Right.
Similarly, this business model is franchisee in the online space on a much smaller level because the investments are much smaller. If you go to a brick and mortar business, the investments are in millions.
Right.
You don't have to do that in the online space. Similarly, when you invest here, you get the affiliate plus the proven systems and everything. So consider that like a franchisee, and you own that now. Once you become a business owner, you own all of these things, and you can pass it forward, you can sell it forward. So you can make money by selling this entire package to someone else who wants to generate an income out of it. So that's the service which you're offering. It's not about recruiting people or adding people. I get this question a lot. So will I have to form a chain of people under me, or is it like a recruiting business? No, there is no chain, there's no recruiting of any sort. You take any business, Any business requires people, right? If there are
Right.
no people who you are offering your service to, there is no business. If a grocery store gets no customers coming into their store and buying anything from them, they make zero money. An accountant, if he cannot sell his service to someone, no one files their taxes with him, he is
Right.
not going to make any money. Similarly, you as a business owner, if no one uses your service from you to set up a business or use these services, you are not going to make money. So your task is, and it's not difficult, it's not at all difficult,
Right.
because we teach you. That is why I gave the example of a franchisee, because this system has been in place for years now. It
Yes.
has worked for thousands of people. It is working for me. It is working. You see the changes in yourself, like in just a couple of months. You see what you have become, Reena, right? Like the person who you
Yes.
were before you started and right
Mhm.
now. So it is visible. So it's a process. First, it's
Right.
going to be a process of working on yourself,
Yes.
and then it's a process of working on the business, and the money comes in. The money definitely comes in. If you do everything that needs to be done, you will make money over here.
Yes.
So yeah,
Because once
I
now
hope
I'm
I
in
answered
system.
your question. I don't know what for
Yes.
how long I
No, you have answered so nicely, and things are so. I mean, even the layman, if he sees or she sees this interview, they will be
yeah,
able to understand what we are
yeah.
doing and what we are trying to explain. Because now I'm in system, I'm so excited. I see so many people growing, earning money. I'm like every day, I'm like talking to my husband. Oh my God, this person made so many money. So it's like every day
Yeah,
it's kind of an inspiration for me. Otherwise, like I've seen most of the people, they start business and after sometimes they are like okay, out of the system because there is no
yeah,
motivation. They don't know what to do, how to go ahead, and they are like out of the way. But this is the system, it's a proven, because I'm my see,
yeah,
even the people in my family, that my family members, I try to explain them and they are so excited. They keep asking, okay, what is the post today, what they are saying, how many people are making what, after
yeah,
don't
yeah,
even see that. So this is the way the system, because I have also like seen so many people investing online and then they have been a failures and they like, no, you should not believe. But I say, try this system, you will not regret in your life.
yeah,
So,
yeah,
but thank you so much,
definitely,
Farhana, for your time. You explained it so well, everything. We'll try doing the live sometime later, and
definitely,
I hope my viewers
definitely,
will like this video.
definitely.
Okay, so now I'll end the stream now.
Yeah.